If PowerPoint is showing YouTube video error 153, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest fixes step by step so you can get your embedded video working again. This is a common issue, especially when PowerPoint can't load an older YouTube link, your app is out of date, or there's a connection problem stopping the video from playing properly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to update PowerPoint, use a fresh YouTube link, check your internet connection, and make sure the video plays correctly in slideshow mode. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. The first fix is to update PowerPoint. A lot of YouTube video playback problems happen because PowerPoint is running an older version that no longer works well with online videos. To do this, open PowerPoint on your computer, then go up to File and click Account. On the Account page, look for Update Options. Click that dropdown, then choose Update Now. PowerPoint will check for the latest updates and install them if needed. This can take a few minutes, so let it finish completely. Once the update is done, restart PowerPoint and try your presentation again. In many cases, this alone is enough to solve the error. If the problem is still there, the second fix is to use the latest YouTube link. Sometimes the link you pasted earlier may have changed, expired, or become incompatible with PowerPoint's online video feature. To refresh it, go to YouTube and copy a brand new video link directly from the address bar or the share option. Then return to PowerPoint, go to Insert, click Video, and choose Online Video. Paste the new link into the field, then insert the video again. After that, test the slide to see if the video loads properly. Using a fresh link often solves playback issues when the original one stops working. The third fix is to check your internet connection. Since YouTube videos in PowerPoint depend on an online connection, any network problem can trigger error 153 or prevent the video from loading at all. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and that the connection is stable. You can also try opening the same YouTube video in your browser to confirm it plays normally. If it does not load in the browser either, the issue may be with the network itself, not PowerPoint. Once your connection is stable again, close PowerPoint completely and reopen it before testing the video one more time. A simple reconnect can often make the difference. The fourth fix is to open your presentation in slideshow mode. Sometimes a video may not behave the same way in edit mode as it does in full presentation mode. Press F5 on your keyboard to start the slideshow, then navigate to the slide with the embedded video and try playing it there. PowerPoint often handles online video playback better in presentation mode, so this step is worth testing, even if the video looks fine while editing. If the video starts normally in slideshow mode, then your issue may have been just a preview problem rather than a true error. So to quickly recap, if you want to fix PowerPoint YouTube video error 153, first update PowerPoint, then replace the old link with a fresh YouTube URL, make sure your internet connection is working, and finally, test the video in slideshow mode. These 4 fixes solve most cases without needing complicated troubleshooting. If one method doesn't work, move on to the next until the video plays correctly. I hope this tutorial helped you get your PowerPoint YouTube video working again. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.